In my conclusion, so how effective in this news report? I'd say it's very effective. Probably a 4 out of 5. The transitions between topics are smooth, supported by strong lexical signals, changes in tone, and visual aids. Each subtopic from stats to youth cases to stigma to solutions build on the last. It's not just informative, it's also well-paced and easy to follow. If I had to suggest one improvement, maybe the report could be include a personal story or testimonial from someone younger to hit even closer to home. But overall, it succeeds in giving both the urgency and the solutions we need to hear. I hope you found this analysis insightful. If you found insightful, this issue goes beyond numbers. It's about people, awareness, and action. Let's keep the conversation going, break the stigma, and push for better access to care. Stay informed and let's keep talking about public health issues that matter. My name is Marky B. Morada, and thank you for watching.